Come home to the beautiful Jubilee at Basking Ridge, a recently built master plan community nestled at the base of a gently rolling hillside in Santa Teresa, and discover peaceful living, where residents will surely enjoy an active lifestyle as this community offers numerous amenities, including access to walking paths and jogging trails along Coyote Creek, a local community park with playground and picnic tables, several community pools, and its own public elementary school. Basking Ridge also offers all the conveniences of urban living, as residents are just minutes from the numerous shopping, dining, and entertainment options such as Costco at Great Oaks and the Safeway and Target shopping centers at Cottle Road, boasting an abundance of fine dining options. Plus, public transportation is convenient with access to light rail, as well as freeways 101 and 85. Welcome home to 1013 Chagall Way, a modern two-story condominium offering 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and boasting 1,291 square feet of immaculate living space with abundant natural lighting, spacious living areas, an attached 2-car garage, and a private corner location at the end of the building. A convenient ground floor entryway greets guests upon arrival. The living and dining room features gorgeous hardwood flooring, tall modern ceilings, and freshly painted walls. A gas fireplace centers the living room. And a well-sized front patio is accessible just off the dining room, providing for easy outdoor dining and entertaining. This well-equipped and recently updated kitchen features quartz countertops, modern stainless steel appliances including a gas range, tile flooring, modern inlaid custom cabinetry, and a breakfast bar. Just past the kitchen is access to a laundry room as well as a ground floor half bathroom. Both bedrooms are located just upstairs. The master bedroom is very roomy and offers tall ceilings and a private balcony. The ensuite master bathroom features a double sink vanity, a shower over bathtub, and access to the walk-in closet. The hall bathroom offers another shower over bathtub, tile flooring, and an updated vanity. Discover convenient living today in gorgeous Santa Teresa, exclusively at 1013 Chagall Way in San Jose.